Leave the shovel in the shed the next time you need to dig a hole, thanks to the Earthquake one-person Earth Auger. This 43cc two-cycle workhorse is the perfect tool for the job when it comes to drilling holes for fences, potted plants, decks, mailboxes, and more. Its welded steel handlebars with comfortable foam grips provide maximum control and help protect the engine. A 5-bearing all-steel gear transmission comes equipped with a splined output shaft for increased durability and efficiency, and features Earthquake's Quick Connect coupler to eliminate wobbly auger connections and worn-out cross bolt holes while providing the fastest way to change auger bits. The Earthquake one-person Earth Auger comes standard with an integrated cradle, which allows for the addition of an Earthquake torque reduction and transport accessory to mimic the stability and operation of a two-person auger and provide a simple way to transport your auger to the job site. The next time you have a project that needs a hole, don't dig, drill with the Earthquake one-person Earth Auger.